It's getting dark, so we're gonna have to finish this up.
Yep.
Alright, so you wanna tell them what we've done so far? We put the floor in, we took out that back piece of board, we took it out. We put this pellet on, and this wall on. You got the wires too. You can see that. But not touch that. It's live. I want to do it a couple times. And then we did get a support put in right here, so it's not doing what it was, which I'm sure you guys will see in the video. We got the hole cut out for the bathtub. We got the water lines for the bathtub. And then we have those water lines that come across here. So there's gonna be a three-way right there where the water comes into one and then goes out to the shower. And then the hot that goes to the shower. And then this one's gonna be a three-way to the sink and then one to the hot water heater that's gonna be in that general area. And then we got a cold water line to that. I honestly think I think both of those are gonna have a three-way, one to the sink and both of them go into the hot water heater. Either that or I'm gonna have one hose going this way to the water heater and then back around this way for the hot water. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But what do you say? We've done a lot of work today?
Honestly, yeah.
I know it doesn't look like a whole lot got done, but we also took a 2-hour nap and yeah, we're lazy. But we're finally making some real progress. We got this wall put up, except for that piece. But this entire wall is almost done. All right, guys, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, if you want to see any of our other channels, we have a reaction channel and a product review channel. Links are down in the description. Also, there's that donate link down in there too. So if you guys want to, you don't have to, but we'd appreciate it. He said it'd be helpful. I agree. But it's down there. Catch you guys in the next video.
We got Sonic.
Better not be mine. Is it mine?
Yep.
You just drank my Sonic drink?